Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we'll look into the next subtopic of multiplication. It is just similar to the last video of maths. In the last video we did multiplication of a 2-digit number with 2-digit number only. Today we'll do multiplication of a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. So first I'll put down one example. We'll multiply a 3-digit number, that is 203, with a 2-digit number, that is 34. What are we doing here? We are multiplying a 3-digit number 203 with a 2-digit number 34. So we have to multiply 203 with 34. So before doing that, as usual, as I told you, don't forget the place value ever. First we'll put the place values ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens. Now down again. Then putting down the numbers in the respective place values. 203 and 34 we will not write here. If you are writing like this, then 3 is coming in hundreds place, 4 is coming in tens place. You should write according to the place value. Ones in 4, tens in 3. Then multiplication sign. Now next step. In the previous videos, in previous class, we already did this. It is something similar only. We did with 2 digits. Here only one number is extra. Nothing else is different. Now, what we are doing here, this is our multiplication column. All the multiplication things we are doing in this upper part. Fine. Now, first digit is 34. We will multiply the numbers in the lower line with the numbers in the upper line. Now, 4 we will multiply with all the 3 numbers. Then, after that second step, 3 we will multiply with all the 3 numbers. Now, starting with 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. We have to take a carry. We will carry 1 and we'll write 2 down. Where are we writing the carry? We'll write the carry in the next place value. This carrying is for multiplication, so it will come over here only. Next, 4 zeros are, any number multiplied by 0, it will be 0 only. 4 zeros are 0. Okay. Now what is this one carrying? We did 1. So all the carrying we will add. Plus 1. 1 plus 0 will be 1 only. So you will write 1 down here. 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 only. So we'll write 1. Now 4 twos are 8. 8 is a single digit number. 8 we will write directly. Now over. First step is over. Number 4 we multiply with all the 3. Number 4 we multiplied with all the 3 digits. First step is over. Now going to second step. I told you, when you are going to second step, first thing is that you will put a cross mark in the ones place, because we already finished multiplication with this. So iski place se start nahi karna. You are multiplying with tens, so tens ki place se hi numbers likhna start karenge. Fine. So we'll put a cross mark here, or you can put 0 also, I told you. Now second step. Again we will multiply with each one of these. And I told you, while going for second step, first put a cross mark and cross out any number that is there in the carrying. Because ये old carry है, 4 के साथ का carry था. अगर आप cross out नहीं करें तो आप you may commit a mistake. 3 में भी आप add कर सकते, तो cross out करना. Crossing out means whatever number you are carrying, just strike it off a little. No need of scribbling it like this. No, please. Whenever I am telling you to strike off means one simple line like this. So that जो number आप पहले लिखे थे, we can see that. No need of scribbling. This is very dirty work. Okay. Now, we struck off the old number. Let's multiply. 3 3s are 9. So 9 is single digit. Directly we will write 9. Then 3 zeros are 0. 0 directly. 3 twos are 6. Single digit, 6 again. Now over. Multiplication is over. Both the digits, 4 also we multiplied with all the numbers, 3 also we multiplied with all the numbers. Multiplication is over here. Now to find the final answer, to find the final product, we have to add these two things. You'll put a plus sign here. Now what happened? This was multiplication section. This is addition section. Addition section you will do as usual how you used to do addition. 2 plus x or 2 plus 0 is nothing but 2. Now 9 plus 1 or 1 plus 9, what will be? 1 plus 9 will be 10. So 10 is a 2-digit number. We have to take a carry over here. 0 will come here and 1 we have to take carry. Where we will write this carry? You should write this carry above 8. Here, very small. You should not write the carry over here. Addition, multiplication carry will come here. Addition carry will come in addition section. While adding, if you are getting carry, don't take this carry and put it over here. It will be completely wrong. Multiplication का carry multiplication section में, addition का carry addition के section में. So 10 we got, 1 we did carry. Now 8 0 will be 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9. Now 6, nothing is there, again 6 only. So what we got, the answer is 6,902 will be your answer. We'll look into 2 more examples, something similar only, no change. Let's look into one example. 215, no, it is same. 381 multiplied by 13. Now, first place values, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens. Substituting the place values with the numbers 381 and 13. Multiplication sign. First multiplication section we will complete. Multiplying 3 with all the numbers. 3 ones are 3. 3 eights are bigger number now. You won't remember the tables, so that's why learn the tables. 3 eights are 24. Now 24 is a 2-digit number. So we are going to do a carrying over here. 4 we will write down and 2 we will carry. So this 3 we multiplied with 8. We are getting 24. So when you are writing carry, carry will go into hundreds place. 4 will come down here. 2 carry will be here. Okay, 3 eights are 24. Right, over. Then 3 threes are 9. 9 is your answer. Then carrying 2 is also there. So you will add that 2 to 9. 9 plus 2, 11. You got 11. Again, 11 is a 2-digit number. Is there any other number to multiply over here? There is no number. So we will write directly 11. If thousands की place पे और एक number आता, then you would have carried. So no number is there. You will write 11. Fine. Now first step is over. Multiplication by 3 completely over. Now next you will multiply with 1. Before going to next step, I told you put x in one's place and strike off all the old carrying work. Don't scribble, strike off. Next, 1 ones are 1, 1 eights are 8, 1 threes are 3. Addition. Add the numbers. 3 plus 0 or 3 plus x will be 3 only. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. So your multiplication answer is 4,953. Please do remember, when you are doing carrying, multiply में carry आ रहा तो multiplication में लिखना. I am repeating this again and again. Addition में carry आ रहा तो addition के पास लिखना. Like how we did over here. Okay. One last example we'll see. And students, I'm requesting you, and if any parents are watching this, please make your child or students, make yourself very thorough and perfect in all the tables, especially till all the tables till 9 as you are in class 3. Till tables from 2 to 9, you should be thorough. If I pick any number from anywhere in the tables, you should be able to say it. You should not think, read the whole table and say, be perfect. You have got ample of time to do that. Since May, I think I am reminding you, and I have been giving you one table in one week. Even if you did not do that, 2 to 3 Tables you were already learned. In 1 month, one table also you did. I hope you all are perfect till 9. Even if you are not, I request you people, till you come to school, I want your perfection in the tables. It is on you. After coming to school, if you are not perfect in tables, then that is not in my hand. You will face a lot of problem. Even now, if you start, you have ample of time to do that. Please be perfect in tables. Okay? It will help you in everything, in every chapter of mathematics. Now, one last example. 423 multiplied by 29. A bigger number we got here, 9. Very nice. Come on. Let's substitute the values. Ones, tens, 100, ones, tens. Then substituting them, I think this problem will be a little bit bigger. 423 multiplied by 29. Okay, now first we'll do multiplication of all the three numbers with 9, then multiplication of all the three numbers with 2. So going with 9. Just a second. Come on. So first we substituted all the values. Now we have 2 multiplication. So here you are getting 9, a bigger number. So I think in both multiplication column section and addition section you will have to do carrying work. So we'll start multiplying now. So 9 threes are 27. 27 is a very big number and it is 2-digit number. So 7 will write down and 2 you have to do the carry. So you will write in tens place 2 carry. Okay. Then next multiplying 9 with 2. 9 twos are 18. Okay. This 18 to after this 18 you can't write directly. You have to add the carrying plus 2. 18 plus 2 will give you 19, 20. 20. So this 20 we have to write down. This is your final answer. So 20 is a 2-digit number. 0 will come here. 2 again we are taking carrying. Fine. Now next we'll multiply with 4. 9 fours are 36. Now 36, I'll write down. 9 fours are 36. Now 36 plus 2. Carrying plus 2 again we are doing here. 36 plus 2, 37. 38. 38 you have to write down final answer. 38 is again 2-digit number. But here we are not multiplying. Directly 38 we will write down. Final answer. First step is over. Multiplication with 9 of all the numbers is finished here. Next, while going to next step, don't forget, put an X, strike off the old carrying. Strike off, don't scribble them. Now, multiplying with 2. 2 threes are 6, single digit, directly write down. Next, 2 twos are 4, again single digit, directly write down. 2 fours are 8, 8 single digit, directly write down. Over, multiplying both the numbers. Next final will be your addition section. Now you have to add. 7 plus x or 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4, you are getting 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. 1 you have to carry, 2 you are going to write down. This 1 carry will not go in multiplication. ये हो गया, इसको छोड़ देना. In addition only you will do the carrying. Above 3 it should come. 1 carry, 12. Now 3 plus 1, 4. Again 4 plus 8 will be 12. So you got a very big number as your answer, a 5-digit number. Your answer is 12,267. Okay? I hope you all understood. Please be perfect in the tables. Otherwise, you will face a lot of problem. Thank you.